A data analyst is someone who collects data, processes it, and generates meaningful insights out of it. For example, let's say you visit your nearest retail chain every month. If the retailer is keeping track of its customers and of you, it would know details like on what dates you visited in the past, which products did you buy, etc. Now, a team of data analysts working with the retailer would basically look at three things. First of all, they would ensure that whatever interactions or purchases you're having at the store, there is data getting captured for that somewhere in the retailer system. Now, this is the infrastructure side of things. And even though data analysts per se would not be involved in implementation of these infrastructures, they would have a say in what data to capture and what not. Next, after that, they would then bring all these different stored data points together in one place where you get a single view of all the customer interactions or purchases. This is the data engineering part. And lastly, but most importantly, they would use these data points to generate insights. This is the data analysis or insights generation part. So you might ask as to how is this helpful? Well, for example, knowing when a customer usually buys, the retailer can send notifications or mailers to the customers whenever that period of the month is approaching, when they usually buy. And maybe lure the customers through attractive discounts just to ensure that they come back to your store and buy around that same time again. Secondly, if, for example, if they know the sort of products that you've bought, they can recommend another product that you might like, given that thousands of other customers would have bought both these products together very frequently. And these are just two of the simplest examples that I could think of. There's a whole universe of data science and advanced analytics that is quite useful in this last step of data analysis and insight generation. There is this common phrase in a line of work that says data is the new oil. So just like the past decades where globally there was a mad rush for oil, in today's world, the same is true for data, where organizations worldwide, be it Lenovo, Google, Facebook, Walmart, Unilever, just to name a few, they've recognized the importance of the rich stream of data they have access to. And like I said earlier, wherever there is data, you would need a data analyst to turn bland data into meaningful insights. So in terms of scope of opportunities, this is perhaps as big as it gets. We are still really sitting at the start of the curve, where we expect this line of work to be the most sought after profession for many decades to come, if not more. And given your interest areas, you can either be a data analyst who covers the entire gamut of activities associated with the profession, or just focus on one of the few pillars like the ones that I called out on data infrastructure, data engineering, or data analysis and insights.